A major shift is happening in the crypto world, and it could change everything for XRP holders. Reports confirm that the US Securities and Exchange Commission is now in settlement talks with Ripple's CEO. This could be the moment everyone has been waiting for. The legal battle that has held XRP back for years might finally be coming to an end. If a settlement is reached, XRP could experience a historic price surge. Some experts believe this could trigger a massive rally, pushing XRP toward $976.53 and beyond. But what exactly is happening behind the scenes? Why is the SEC suddenly open to settling? And most importantly, what does this mean for XRP's future? Let's break it all down. The battle between Ripple and the SEC has been dragging on for years, creating uncertainty for XRP investors. But now, things are taking a dramatic turn. Recent reports confirm that the SEC is actively engaging in settlement discussions with Ripple's CEO, Brad Garlinghouse. This is a huge shift from their previous stance, where they seemed determined to fight Ripple in court. So what changed? It appears that after years of legal back and forth, the SEC is realizing that continuing the lawsuit might not be in their best interest. Ripple has secured multiple small victories in court, including a judge ruling that XRP itself is not a security when traded on secondary markets. This ruling weakened the SEC's case and gave Ripple a stronger position to negotiate. A settlement would mean Ripple and XRP can finally move forward without legal uncertainty. This could open the doors for major financial institutions and big investors to fully embrace XRP without fear of legal issues. But the real question is, how will this impact XRP's price? Some analysts believe this could trigger one of the biggest price surges in crypto history. Let's explore why XRP might be on the verge of a massive breakout. The potential settlement between Ripple and the SEC could be the biggest turning point in XRP's history. For years, the lawsuit has been a dark cloud over XRP, preventing its full adoption and keeping major investors on the sidelines. If the case is settled, that uncertainty disappears overnight. The biggest impact? Institutional investors. Banks, hedge funds, and payment providers have been hesitant to fully adopt XRP due to regulatory concerns. A settlement would give them the green light to integrate XRP into their systems, leading to a massive influx of capital. This kind of institutional adoption could drive prices up fast, with some experts predicting a surge to $976.53 or beyond. Another key factor is exchange relisting. After the lawsuit was filed, several major crypto exchanges delisted XRP to avoid legal risks. If the case is settled, platforms like Coinbase and Binance could relist XRP, making it easier for millions of traders to buy and sell. Increased accessibility could further fuel demand, pushing the price even higher. On top of that, Ripple has been actively working with financial institutions and central banks for cross-border payments. With regulatory clarity, these partnerships could finally go into full effect, increasing XRP's real-world use and boosting its value. This combination of institutional investment, exchange relisting, and increased adoption creates the perfect storm for a massive price surge. But what happens next if the settlement goes through? Let's take a look at the future of Ripple and XRP. Again, the knowledge and the ability and If Ripple and the SEC reach a settlement, the road ahead for XRP could be brighter than ever. With the legal battle out of the way, Ripple would be free to expand its partnerships and push for global adoption without restrictions. This could lead to XRP becoming a core part of the financial system. One major change could be the increased use of XRP in cross-border payments. Ripple has already partnered with financial giants and central banks worldwide, but regulatory uncertainty kept full-scale adoption on hold. With a settlement, these partnerships could move forward, allowing XRP to facilitate fast and cheap transactions between banks and financial institutions globally. Another potential game changer is the growing role of central bank digital currencies, CBDCs. Many countries are developing their own digital currencies, and Ripple has positioned itself as a bridge between these systems. If XRP becomes the go-to solution for CBDC interoperability, its demand could skyrocket. Relisting on major exchanges is also a huge factor. If platforms like Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken bring XRP back, it would give traders and investors easier access, increasing liquidity and pushing prices even higher. At the same time, mainstream investors and hedge funds would feel more confident in adding XRP. With all these possibilities, XRP is set for a major breakout. But before we get too excited, there are still risks and challenges that could impact its growth. Let's break down some key warnings every investor should consider. While a settlement between Ripple and the SEC could be a massive win for XRP, there are still risks that investors need to be aware of. No investment is ever guaranteed, and the crypto market is known for its extreme volatility. First, there's the possibility of delays. Just because settlement talks are happening doesn't mean a deal will be reached immediately. Legal negotiations can take time, and if talks break down, the lawsuit could drag on longer than expected. If that happens, the uncertainty around XRP could continue, slowing down any price momentum. Another concern is market manipulation. Whenever a crypto asset experiences a major rally, whales, large holders of XRP, can take advantage by selling off large amounts, causing temporary price drops. If XRP surges too quickly, we could see a short-term correction as early investors cash in on their gains. Regulatory challenges are also something to consider. Even if Ripple settles with the SEC, other governments around the world may introduce new regulations that impact how XRP is used. Crypto regulations are still evolving, and unexpected policy changes could create new hurdles for Ripple's expansion. Finally, hype-driven price spikes don't always last. While XRP could surge past $976.53 following a settlement, it's important to consider whether that level is sustainable. Some traders might buy in during the excitement, only for the price to stabilize at a lower level once the news settles. Despite these risks, XRP's long-term potential remains strong, especially if Ripple secures its place in the global financial system. Now, let's wrap up with some final thoughts on what you should be watching in the coming days. The SEC's settlement talks with Ripple's CEO could mark the beginning of a new era for XRP. If an agreement is reached, XRP could finally break free from the legal uncertainty that has held it back for years. This could open the doors for institutional investment, exchange relistings, and global adoption, fueling a historic price surge. But while excitement is building, it's important to stay informed and prepared for all possible outcomes. Whether XRP continues its upward momentum or experiences short-term corrections, one thing is clear: it is now at the center of the financial revolution. This isn't just another crypto, it's a digital asset with real-world use, and its journey is far from over. What do you think? Will this settlement push XRP to new all-time highs, or do you see another twist coming? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you want to stay ahead of the latest XRP updates and crypto news, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. We'll be tracking every move in this case, and you won't want to miss what happens next. The future of XRP